Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your Windows 11 PC so that you can use it to play wirelessly. You can just plug it into whenever you want and use it over wire. It's also how you have to charge it. But all you have to really do is make sure you have some kind of Bluetooth device either plugged in or connected internally in your computer. They usually come with your Wi-Fi card, and have it turned on. And then you're going to want to grab your controller, make sure it's charged, and then you're going to want to press the circular PlayStation logo button in the middle of the controller and the share button until the light on the back starts to blink rapidly like you're at the disco. After that, you're going to want to click Add Device here at the top of the Bluetooth section. And there's a little pop-up here, just click on Bluetooth at the top. After that, you should have a wireless controller show up. If you're doing this with a PlayStation 5 controller, it'll show up as the same generic wireless controller. Just click on that. And then bingo bango, your controller is now connected to your PC. Sometimes, for whatever reason, your controller doesn't want to fully play nice with the PC. It might be because it's still connected to a PlayStation or wants to connect to a PlayStation somewhere, either yours or the one that they used to test its connection at the factory. Either way, flip it over and you'll see there's a screw underneath the trigger on the, what is it? Well, normally if it's the left side, but when you're looking from the back, it's on the right side. There's a little hole there with a button in it. Take like a paper clip or a pin and press in there for a count of like 12. That factory resets the controller, and then you can try pairing it again. Now, if for whatever reason you want to remove this controller from your system so that you don't have to see it connect anymore, it doesn't automatically connect anymore, just go back in here to your Bluetooth and devices section, find it right here at the top, click the three little dots, and click Remove Device. And give it a second, and it should just forget that this device ever existed, and you should be good to go. That's an updated 2026 version of how to connect your PS4 controller to your Windows 11 PC. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.